Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President, Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're talking with Albert with OxyFresh Carpet Cleaning. Good morning, Albert.
Good morning, Karen. How are you?
Good. Tell me a little bit about OxyFresh Carpet Cleaning.
So we're a locally owned company, part of a national franchise. We clean carpets, we clean tile and grout, and we clean upholstery as well.
That's a lot of stuff to clean.
Well, a lot of stuff gets dirty when you're living in your house, so that's what we're there for.
So tell me a little bit about your process, because I know it's a little different.
Sure it is. We use what we refer to as a very low moisture process. Encapsulation cleaning is another term for it, but our system uses about 95% less water than a traditional hot water extraction process. Therefore, we consider ourselves to be the world's greenest carpet cleaner. So the way the system works is we use like a garden sprayer almost to put down a light coating, a light mist of the different products that we use. Then we have a machine that has two brushes about 15 inches long, about that big around, that spin towards each other. The machine's about 45 pounds, so it's nice and heavy, but it gets down and physically scrubs the dirt out of your carpet. A lot of times vacuums can't pick up that deep embedded dirt or the dog hair or sand that of course we all have to deal with. And our machine is designed to scrub that carpet or scrub the fibers and get all that dirt that's way down in your carpet. There's a little box on the back of the machine that collects all that dirt, and it just gets picked up through the physics of the machine. Just a great process as opposed to putting down a lot of product and then just rinsing it out.
How many times a year do you suggest that people get their carpet or their upholstery cleaned or their tile and grout?
Well, a lot of it just depends on how you live and how you your usage and whatnot. You got a couple of dogs, then 6 months, 9 months, at a minimum, probably once a year. If you've got rooms that don't get used very often, you can go 18 months between cleanings. But once a year would be about the minimum that we would recommend. And by doing that, you keep your carpet cleaner longer, and it protects the life of your carpet to get all that abrasive dirt out of there, because as you walk on that carpet with all that dirt in there, the fibers start to deteriorate, and then you end up with traffic patterns that are just non-cleanable, and it just looks different because the carpet is kind of coming apart.
And then you'll have the expense of replacing it.
It's a whole lot cheaper to clean it than it is to replace it.
And I'm assuming it's a health issue?
Truly, it is. It is indeed. If you have allergies to pet hair, pet dander, of course the pollen that we all get, the air quality is a big part of it. Carpets act like a giant filter for your home. All kinds of things get trapped down in the carpet. So getting it clean on a regular basis and can help a lot of people that have allergic or that have allergies.
So how do people get up with you?
So the best way to book an appointment with us is to call our office. A couple of different phone numbers. There's 910-726-3066 is our local number. And then we have a national number. It's 877-OxyFresh. So we have a dedicated customer service team that is available through normal business hours to book appointments. They know the process, they know the pricing, they know the schedule. So that's probably the easiest way. You can also go online to our website at oxyfresh.com and book an appointment yourself online. The scheduling and the pricing and the current special, the coupon that we're running, all that's available on our website.
Well, everyone loves a coupon.
That's exactly right. We run coupons all the time. They change them. They change quite frequently. So there's always a deal to be had in the carpet cleaning business.
Well, Albert, thank you so much for being on Faces of Commerce today. And if your carpets, your tile, your upholstery, if they need some cleaning, and you know they do, give Albert a call at
877-OxyFresh
or the website
at oxyfresh.com.
Thank you, Albert.
Thanks, Karen.